small but useful. Amy the ant. Amy the ant, small but useful. Author Veronica Podesta, illustrator Monica Pirazzi-Matri, and concept and layout Tanya de Brito. They look like soldiers, thousands of soldiers marching along. All of them identical, one following the other, keeping a fast pace with their brown silhouettes and their antennae always on the alert. Yet, one of them stands out of the regiment. She has a huge head and strong jaws. It's Amy, the anthill's guardian. When Amy sees a stranger, she blocks the anthill's entrance with her big head, which is the exact same size as the hole, and if she needs to fight, her jaws are her most powerful weapons. However, Amy is tired of always doing the same thing in the same place. I want to have some adventures like my sisters, she says longingly. She first decides to be a builder. Off she goes with her big head and legs removing the soil to enlarge the anthill. With her hard work, she helps ventilate the soil, allowing to water and nourish the flowers and trees' roots faster. The whole forest appreciates my effort, but where should I go now? She asks herself, puzzled. The anthill is an endless maze with tunnels everywhere. Phew! Being a constructor is too difficult. She then decides to be an explorer. Off she goes, drawing paths, bringing down obstacles with her big head, and leaving a fragrant track on the soil that will guide her family to places with tasty food. Suddenly, she stumbles upon an antlion larva that would love to have her as his main course. Amy flees with her 3 pairs of legs. Phew! Being an explorer is too dangerous. Then Amy decides to be a nurse, in charge of bringing the food to the nest. It's strange. It looks as if the ants are kissing, but actually, Amy's sharing with her hungry nest mates the food she's collected. They keep asking for more. How is it possible that so little they are never satisfied? This job isn't at all hard, dangerous, or difficult. Yuck! She actually finds it a bit disgusting. Now Amy tries to be a farmer. That seems like real fun. In the trees live the apids. They are bugs, friends of the ants, and provide them with a sweet, tasty juice. In exchange, Amy and her sisters protect them from other insects. However, Amy is afraid of heights. It makes her dizzy. Being a farmer is not the right job for me. She finally decides to be a caretaker. Her mission is to take care and protect the eggs the queen ant lays. About 10 eggs a day. They mustn't fall. They need to be kept warm and safe, and when the babies hatch, they need to be fed one by one. Phew! Being a caretaker is too much of a responsibility. I no longer want to have new adventures. There is a reason I have such a huge head and such a powerful jaw. No one else can be the anthill's guardian. Amy happily returns to her first job. She now knows that in her large family, all the ants are important, each playing a big role in protecting the forest, and each is in his right place to make everything run perfectly. The end.